Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So, this is your sign. So, the topic for today is this is your sign from spirit. So, this, if you're watching this message, this is your sign from spirit, the sign that you have been asking. Okay, so that's going to be the topic for today. So let's see what are the messages from spirit, what is the guidance for you guys at this time. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and then choose a photo that calls to you intuitively. So these readings are timeless, as well as these readings are general, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, let go of all the worries, and then choose a card that calls to you. Okay, so for group number 1, this is a photo. For group number 2, and for group number 3. So close your eyes, take your time. The timestamps will be given in the description box. Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to start with group number 1. Hello, group number 1. If you have chosen this card, this photo, let's see what is your message. If you're watching this reading, this is your sign from spirit. So what spirit wants you to know right now, spirit guidance, that is going to be the topic for today. Okay, so here this woman is in the snow, but she is standing strong because she knows that spirit is with her, right? So that's what I'm getting here. Look, there are bells, and also maybe spirit is telling you right now to let go of that negative energies, because sometimes I feel like we use bells like singing balls to clear that negative energy. So right now you are being caught up in a lot of negative vibes. Maybe you're thinking, why this thing didn't happen, I tried my best, why I have to always stand in the snow, why I have to overcome all these struggles. Right now maybe you're feeling a little bit of negativity in your life right now, and that's why spirit is sending you this message to calm down right now. Okay, spirit is telling you calm down, close your eyes, relax, let go of that negativity. So if you have a sage or Palo Santo in your home, take that sage or Palo Santo, cleanse your energy, or light a candle, then meditate, relax. Okay, so they're telling you to relax, and they're telling you that they have their back. Definitely, I feel like with this card, with this that spirit has your back. Even in this tough times, sometimes you don't see the light in these tough times, but they're telling you they have your back. They have your back. Okay, and that's beautiful, and that's why they are sending you this message right now, to tell you that they have their back. Okay, you're not alone. You're not alone in the cold. They are with you. Maybe you will feel like that you are alone, that no one is there for you, because you're looking in this outside. So they're telling you to get inside, get into your heart, connect with the universe, connect with the divine. Okay, connect with yourself. For some of you, it's a time to take a little bit of rest, relaxation, maybe because you're stressing a lot. Okay, that is also coming here. But definitely you need to let go of certain negative energies around you. Okay, that's something here spirit is telling you. Or if you have a singing ball or a bell, just use those things to let go of that negative vibes. Okay, so that's the message, first message I received for you. Let's see, I'm going to keep this here. So but the group number 1, it's like spirit is telling you they are with you. They are taking care of you. Everything has happening in order to make you strong. Sometimes we don't see the whole picture. Right now you're not seeing the whole picture, right? You're only seeing in parts, but universe sees it, like they know what is happening. So that's why they're telling you that they have your back. They have your back. Don't lose hope. Okay, interestingly, look, she is in the cold, she's in the snow, but she is feeling so relaxed, she's feeling confident, she's feeling courage, because she has her back, right? So that's something a spirit is telling you to do right now. You will be able to overcome the mountains and reach on the top. Okay, so the first card you have is Knight. Be brave and honest. Yes, it's the time to be brave and honest. So it's the time to, knights are like, they are the ones who go for fight, right? They are not someone who is fearful, they are fearless. So this is the time to be fearless. That's what they're telling you to. They have this intention, like they will win the war and they will come back home, right? So that's what your intention should be right now. To believe in yourself, to be honest with your own ideas, to be honest with yourself. That's why you need some reflection also, to see what you are not honest about. Maybe for some of you, you are not honest about something, so you need to be honest about it. Maybe you're in a relationship and you're feeling very struggled, and you're staying in this relationship because of other things. Okay, so are you honest with yourself? That is the question. What is making you so stressed? What is making you feel like you are alone? What is the thing that you need to be honest about? So it's time to be brave and to be honest with yourself and do the things that you actually want to do in your life. Okay, for some of you, you have a dream plan, or maybe you want to move forward with your dreams and you're feeling like that you're not getting anywhere. And now what is happening is, because of it, you're overstressing and you're putting a lot of negative vibes, like, oh, never, my dream will never come true. It's been so long. So yeah, you're losing hope. Right now you're feeling like cold, that you're alone in the snow. No one is there to help you, no one is there to give you that warm blanket, and that you will shiver, right? No, it's not the case. They are telling you that they have shown you the way. All you need to do is to walk that way, but you're not seeing the way right now because you're so closed off. You're not trusting yourself right now. You're not trusting your heart. You're not trusting divine right now. So that's why Spirit is telling you to be brave and honest with yourself, and move forward with your plans, with your heart. Not because what others are saying you to do, or not because you feel like, for some of you, I even feel like that maybe you think that you will not get a job, and that's why you're not even attempting, because you feel like, oh my god, this is not the job. Even though I want this job, but I don't think that I'm capable. Like, for some of you, you are holding back. That is also I'm getting. So you need to be more brave, right? Be brave, be fearless, and be courageous. That's what you need to do right now. So if you have a job opportunity, if you want to give that resume, or if you want to attend that interview, go for it. Before even attending, don't say that, no, I'm not able to do it. It's out of my comfort zone. And sometimes we stop ourselves, right? Sometimes we stop ourselves. And that's what you shouldn't do right now. Okay? Even though your goals and dreams are big, go for it. Don't think that they are so big that you will not be able to catch it. Right? Sometimes we think that we will not be able to do it. But Spirit knows how. They know everything, right? They have the bigger wide view, but you are not seeing it at all. So that's why they are telling you to be honest with yourself, to be courageous, to be brave, to not to be fearful. Like, it's like there is an exam happening. For some of you, you have an exam next day and you haven't studied. And because you haven't studied, you have not worked hard, you're like, oh, I'll not pass the exam, so I'm not going to do it, right? So you're not being brave there. And you didn't study also, because you feel like that even if you study, you will not pass. That's why you don't study. So it's like making like that. Yeah, I'm not capable of it, so I'm not doing it anyways. So that's why they're telling you to stop doing that. Maybe you're hurting. In this process, you're hurting yourself. Or maybe I feel like you will be hurting others also as well. Okay? Because when we are not giving that love to ourselves, we'll not be able to give it to others. So that's important. Yeah, we have the Deceit card here. So yeah, definitely you are blocking your own success. I feel like in some way you are coming in between yourself, your goals, your dreams. You feel like that, oh, I have this dream of mine, I want to become this fashion designer, but no, I cannot stay alone, I cannot go to a different country. So you're stopping yourself, and you feel like that I'm only here to live this alone life. So it's time to be more fearless. It's time to be more courageous and move forward with your goals. So something that is holding you back is your own thoughts about yourself, your own negative beliefs, and that's what you need to shift right now. Okay, for some of you, there might be a person who is like manipulating you, telling you that you are not courageous enough, you're not brave enough. They're like putting more fuel because you have been thinking like this and they're putting more fuel. So this is a sign from spirit to not to listen to those people who are discouraging you, who are not giving you that encouragement to move forward towards your goals and dreams and desires. Maybe there are your friends, maybe there are family members who are telling you that you're not worthy enough, and now you're listening to that. So don't listen to that. Believe in yourself. Yeah, happy family. Okay, maybe this can be a person from your family. Like it's like, you are I feel like you want a very happy family. You want others' happiness. So maybe for some of you, you are giving up on your happiness goals, and that's why you're feeling like that you're alone. Even though you are with people, you're feeling like you're alone, because you have been sacrificing a lot for other people, and you're not doing the things you want to do. So it's time to open up. It's time to believe in yourself and go forward. Sometimes we feel like that, oh, if I take that step, if I move forward with my plans, maybe I'll lose this happy family. But you know what? Your spirit is trying to tell you that even though sometimes, even though you feel like, oh, I have this happy family, but there is some void in you. And because of it, you're not enjoying your life. Like, you have a happy family. Maybe for some of you have a happy family. You are doing for your kids, you are doing for your parents and all. But the thing that you're doing is not making you happy. So it's time to be more courageous and brave to do the things that you want to do actually. Sometimes, yeah, this is my life, I'm going to do it. This is what I have to be happy for. Even though I feel that void, I'm going to settle in there. So it's not the time to settle for that. That's what Spirit is telling. You have to go alone. Don't be afraid to go alone. Maybe you're afraid to go solo. For you here, it's time to go alone. For some of you, definitely, like, maybe you want to be with your parents, or maybe you are very afraid to going to a different country or something like that, but you want to do it. So for the sake of someone else, you're not going, and you're feeling like void inside of you. You're feeling like you're like that's when we are not able to fulfill our dreams and desires, we feel void, we feel alone, and that is when we get into this negative vibes. So that's what you need to shift. Sometimes we feel like that I will not be happy, or if I take that step, everyone will be sad. No, it's your overthinking here. Okay? If they love you, they will be happy for you. Okay? Yeah, co-create. It's time to co-create your plans, your dreams with the universe. And I feel like with this co-create card, Spirit is with you. They are with you. They are planning for you. And they're telling you to believe in yourself, like believe in your dreams, visions. They're making things happen. Like, you're not seeing it right now. They're making things happen for you guys. Behind the scenes, things are happening for you guys. Like when we get pregnant, like the womb, like the child will be in the womb, right? Like the embryo will be there, but we have to nurture it. We have to be patient with it, and we have to take care of ourselves. That is when we will get the child. We will not get the child the minute we want, right? For you guys, this is the thing. What you're planning, what you're seeking will seek you, but you need to believe in it yourself. You need to take action. Like, you're believing in, you want this thing to happen. You might be dreaming about it, but at the same time, you're so afraid to take action. That's why they're telling you to be more brave and courageous. And you do half thing, rest universe will do. So you have the potential to co-create with Spirit right now. Okay? And I feel like many of you are not listening to your intuition at all. You're not listening to your heart. You're not being honest 100%. You're not being honest 100% honest. You're not right now. So that's why they're telling you to be honest, to be clear with what you actually want from your life, and then give that intention loud and clear to the universe, and they will do it. Okay? If you have done that, they are working behind the scenes. As I told you, Spirit has your back. Okay? Then the next, look, wow, you are blessed. I told you, Spirit has your back, and that's why you are seeing this message right now. So if you have been asking for a sign from Spirit, Spirit is giving you in form of this message that they are with you, they are guiding you, are blessed. You will be, look, you are going good. You have this plan. For some of you, you have this plan, vision for you guys. Now it's time to take action. Now it's time to be courageous and move forward with it. Maybe for some of you, you got a job opportunity, but now you're stressing, you're getting into the negativity because you feel like that you cannot leave your parents alone, or maybe there are some circumstances, or maybe someone is saying that you are being selfish, you shouldn't take that, and that's why you're stressing right now. So it's time to change your perception and go for your goals, your dreams. Because if you don't go for that, if you don't go for your goals, dreams and desires, you will never be happy. You will never be happy from inside. And when you sacrifice, people will tell you to sacrifice more and more and more, right? So now it's the time to go for what you want. That's what Spirit is telling you. And don't be afraid to go solo. Don't be afraid to go alone, because they are with you and you're blessed. Okay, your prayers are being answered. They are hearing you. Yeah, it's not that they're not heard you. Maybe you're questioning, are you even hearing me, Spirit? Like, I have been asking for this thing. Yeah, they are hearing you. They're giving you signs. They are showing you the messages, but you're not opening up. You're not seeing clearly because you're not honest with yourself right now. Or maybe for some of you, you're fearless. You are in this fearless energy. That's why you're not seeing. So let go of that victim mentality. Let go of that blame. Don't blame others. Now, what you need to do is to just, what is your goal? What is your aim? What you want to be in life? Go for it. That's the thing. Yeah, judgment. Again, you're praying a lot. Maybe you want this thing. You're praying, oh my God, I want to be this, want to be that. You're praying a lot. Show me a sign. Maybe you're praying for a sign. And here Spirit is telling you, yeah, they are working for you. They're giving you signs, but are you listening? Are you opening up? Are you listening to your intuition? Or are you in this fear-based energy? Are you authentic to yourself? Are you authentic? Are you honest? That's the question here Spirit is asking you. And when you will be, whatever you want, whatever you desire, you will get it. But be patient also and be brave. Okay? Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Yes, Spirit is with you. Definitely. Look, Spirit is giving you the wish. I feel like the wish will be fulfilled. There will be harmony. There will be balance coming your way. So maybe for some of you, you have some goal, and because of your family, you are like, what should I do? Or you're thinking a lot. You're in this negative energy, and Spirit is telling everything will be all right. Everything will be in balance. Now is the time to do what you want to do and be honest with yourself. Sometimes you need to speak your truth. Maybe you have been sacrificing things all the time, or it's a new thing for you guys to do something for yourself, right? And that's why you're stressed, because you have been sacrificing all the time. You have been taking care of other people. You have been fulfilling other people's wishes, but now it's the time of yours. Like, you want to fulfill your wishes, and now you are coming in between you, the shame, guilt is all coming. Like, can I do that for myself? Can I take care of myself? Can I go for that? Am I hurting someone? Like, you're questioning a lot. And Spirit is telling to let go of that. Right? Now it's the time to go for what you want, what you desire. It's not the time to think for other people. You have been doing that all your life. Now go for the things that you want to achieve in your life, because there is a void. There is some purpose you have. I feel like you want to achieve something in your life, and something is blocking you. For some of you, it can be a big person, or a person is like telling you, oh, you are doing this. What happens to me if you go there? Like, they are trying to guilt trip you. So don't get into that. Okay. So yeah. This is going to be a little bit tough decision for you. For some of you, maybe you need to leave your family somewhere and you have to go somewhere, and that's why you are like stressing a lot. And here Spirit is telling nothing will happen. Everything will be all right. All you need to do is trust and be courageous and go for it. Everything will be in harmony, balance. What you will give, you will receive. So the work you're doing, the effort you're putting, you will get it back. Okay? Yeah. Uncode relationship. Let go now. Yeah, you need to let go of something. Look, you need to break that chain. Now look, it was chaining this thing. If you have seen this thing, she just removed it out of her legs right now. It was weighing her down. Now that is the thing you need to do. You need to let go of certain thing, maybe certain idea of yourself. And look, the door is shining. The door is open right now. Universe is waiting for you to take that step. Are you taking that step, or are you just in this negative energy and asking for sign? Are you honest with yourself? What is that resentment you are holding on to? Who you are holding on to? What is that thing you are holding on to? Be authentic with yourself and let it go. And when you let it go, that is when you will be able to move forward. And you will be able to fulfill your dreams and desires. That's the thing. Look, forgiveness is freedom. When you forgive yourself, when you forgive others, that is when you will be free. It's not, sometimes you feel like, oh my God, I have to forgive this person. They did this to me. It's not about the thing, right? Yeah, they did that. It's there. It's there. Yeah, they did that. We're not telling you to act like nothing happened. It happened. But it's like you need to let go of that so you can be free from that thing. So you can move forward. Okay? And when you forgive them, you will be able to move forward. You will be able to have that freedom. So when you're holding on to that thing, you will also be caged. Yeah? And it will weigh you down. So that's the thing you need to do right now. For some of you, it's like, yes, it's like some sort of shame or guilt you have. Like, you have an opportunity right now. It's a good opportunity. It's an opportunity that you wanted to achieve in your life. And Spirit is telling they have given you that. But now you're doubting. Can I live this, leave them, leave my family alone here and go to a different place? So that's why you are getting very stressed. You want to go, at the same time, maybe some people around you are guilt tripping you that you shouldn't go. You are just thinking about yourself. You're not thinking about your family. Like, that's the thing I'm getting here. And here Spirit is telling you, you can do everything by yourself. Don't let anyone guilt trip you or shame you for your own desires. Now it's the time to let go of that heaviness and go forward with your goals. Everything will be all right. Things will be all right. You will get the support you need because Spirit has your back. Again, look, justice. Yes, you will get the justice. What you want, what you're giving, you will get it back. So if you're giving a lot of negative vibes to, negative energy, you will get that negative energy back. So right now, what is your energy? You need to let go of that. Shake it out, guys. Shake it out, that energy. Shake that energy out. Okay, things will be balanced for you guys, because with the Six of Pentacles and Justice card, things are going to be balanced. Don't worry. Okay, so take action. What you want to achieve in your life, go for it. Don't think too much. Everything will be balanced. Everything will be all right. Everything is going to be balanced. For some of you, it's like you're getting out of this karmic relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are held in a relationship. And for others, it's like, oh, this family is so happy, but you're not happy from inside. So maybe you want to get out of this relationship. So maybe it's time to do that. But something is having you. People are like putting that guilt trip. Like, why are you leaving this? Why are you letting go of this person? Because you have such a beautiful family. But from outside only it's a beautiful family. But from inside it's not. You're not feeling good there. So now it's time to do that. Time to be honest. It's time to speak your truth out. Let others know what you're going through, right? That's something. Like for some of you are faking a happy family. You don't have to do it now. Let go of it. You will find that support. You will find comfort. Spirit is there for you guys. You're blessed. So yeah, it can be different things for different people. It can be for some of you, like you need to get out of a relationship, but you're not able to, and you're stressing about it. So Spirit is telling you to take that first step. Maybe you're thinking about it, but you're not able to do it. For some of you, it's like you're holding on to a person. You're physically away from this person, but you're holding on to that resentment, and because of it, you're not able to move forward. So it's the time to move forward. Like, free yourself. Forgive them so you can move forward. Because there are so much new opportunities waiting for you guys. Yeah, for some of you, definitely you are coming in between your plans, your goals, your own thinking. So how are you, what are your thoughts? Like, just do an exercise like what are you thinking? Write it down and then read it later. You will know how negatively you're thinking or how positively you're thinking. Like, you should know that now about your thinking. Sometimes we think without even realizing, right? So that's what you need to do. What are your thoughts? What are your beliefs? That is what you need to make change right now. Group number 1, universe is there for you. They definitely have your back, and everything will be in balance. But you need to be more courageous and more brave right now, and let go of that victim mentality and forgive. Don't hold on to the resentments, the things that are having you. It's not good for you. For some of you, because of this, there might be health issues also, I feel like. And yeah, you need to focus more on your health also. Yeah, look, change. The path is shifting, the road leads a new way. Do not be alarmed as change becomes today. So yeah, there is change happening. There is going to be change. Things will change for you guys. There will be justice. But you need to be more honest and brave. You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in spirit and take action. That's why you're seeing this message today. And that's all I have for group number 1. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Hello, group number 2. If you have chosen this card, let's see what is your message. So if you're watching this reading is a sign from spirit. So let's see what are the messages and guidance from spirit for you guys. Okay. Okay. So what I'm getting is like your wishes are coming true. Slowly but surely your wishes are coming true. Group number 2, that's what I'm getting. That's what your spirit wants you to know right now. Slowly but surely everything is happening the way you want. And this is a period where you're feeling very, very creative. So a lot of creative ideas are going to be bombarded to you guys. And you might feel confused because there are a lot of ideas. So what you need to do is to write all those ideas in a book, and then do what calls to you. What makes you happy, what your heart feels like. Yeah, I should take this project, I should do this thing, right? Go for it. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. And here there is an owl, right? And with this owl, I feel like intuition is very strong. Yours, a lot of wisdom you have, and you need to listen to your own wisdom. That's also I'm getting here. You're very intelligent people. So maybe for some of you, I feel like you're not intelligent. That's not the case. You're very intelligent, you're very smart. Emotionally, you're very, very intelligent, very wise. That's also I'm getting. You understand things energetically. Yeah, if you see a person, you will know how they are feeling, what they are feeling. That's your gift. Like empathic energy is also what I'm getting for you guys. And you're powerful manifestors. That is also what spirit wants you to know right now. And express yourself, express your creativity. Don't stop. You have a lot of creative ideas that is going to be bombarded to you, or I feel like it has already been there, and so you're feeling confused and you're asking spirit, what idea should I do next? So go one by one, slow, and read it out. Read those ideas, and what idea you feel like doing it, go for it. Listen to your intuition. Okay, like, yeah, I need to take this idea today. And if you're feeling very happy, go for that idea, right? How your energy is. Like, if you read this idea and you're like, oh my God, how can I do it? And maybe you're not getting, like, you're not feeling that vibe. So maybe don't do that. So that's the thing, okay? So like I'm getting like creatively very good period for you guys. And you're very creative souls. And if you're in a creative field, I see a lot of further success for you guys, okay? Yeah, that's something I'm feeling. And we have the trees, grounding. So maybe for some of you, you will be in your head, a lot of ideas are coming. So there is a chance that I feel like your crown chakra, your third eye chakra is all open, but your root chakra is not balanced. So maybe you need to spend some quality time in nature, like ground your energy. Maybe you will be you will be thinking a lot, like a lot of information is coming. So it's important you ground yourself also. Okay, group number 2. That's something I'm getting here. So let's see what else for group number 2. So the first is, oh wow, we have Sky Father, trust in the unknown. With this eagle also, I feel like your intuition is very, very strong. And yes, you have a lot of creative ideas right now. So you don't know. You don't know what is the outcome of it. Like, you have these creative ideas. You don't know whether this will help you to reach your goals or not, right? It's like stepping into the unknown. So go for it. Trust in the unknown. When we trust in the unknown, that is when magical things happen, right? So trust. And I feel like for some of you, there is a spirit guide that is near you. There is a father figure or a grandfather figure or a great grandfather figure around you, or maybe an ancestor that you haven't seen, but they are around you guiding you. So definitely there is some like some ancestor around you who are guiding you, and they're very protective of you, because you know, interestingly, we have an owl also. They're looking like they're taking care of you. They are like giving you the guidance and wisdom. So that's something I'm getting here. So there is definitely an energy around you who is guiding you, giving you guidance, protecting you. Okay, so yeah, so now is the time to let go of that outcome mentality, like, oh, if this is happening, then I will take this creative idea. It doesn't work like that. You need to trust and take a leap of faith, move forward with it, because then only you will see that magical things. Like, so it's time to trust in the unknown. Okay, yeah, it's difficult, but I'm sure that you will be able to do it. So believe. Yeah, community. Wow. So maybe for some of you, there is a social event happening. So don't skip those social events, because I feel like maybe you will meet someone in those social events, and that will give you a lot of opportunities. So I feel like this is a period where you will be getting a lot of opportunities as well. Like, you're creative, you're very creative. You know, when we are creative, like when a woman is fertile, like she create, right? That is the time she can conceive. So like that, like you are also in this period of creativity. You're very fertile right now, right? So don't skip social events, because there you might meet someone who will give you a very good opportunity, or you might, if you don't have a job right now, maybe you will get a new job. Like, you will meet some people, they will be interested in your creation, or maybe you're doing freelance work, or maybe you have a social media, you're building up social media. So maybe you will meet helpful people who will help you, right? So don't skip that. And I feel like if you are in social media, if you are in Instagram, YouTube, or whatever you are doing right now, I feel like this is a chance where you will be seeing an increase in your followers as well. Okay, so if you're questioning about that, so definitely there is major growth happening for you guys. But right now you need to trust in your creative ideas, work on that creative ideas. Don't think too much about the outcome. Okay, because when we think about the outcome, that is the time we lose hope. We start losing hope. Oh my God, if this doesn't work out, we stress. So let go of that outcome, surrender that to the divine, and keep on working on your creative ideas. You're definitely protected. Group number 2. Yeah, the world again. So maybe for some of you, this is a ripe period where your business might move forward. Like, if you are an artist selling products, maybe more clients will come. They will be very interested in your product. So maybe you will provide services all over the world through social media. That is also, I'm feeling like maybe you are content creators, creative things you create, maybe a lot of people will be watching. So if you are someone in the social media, I feel like things are going to move forward for you guys. Or for others, I feel like there is an opportunity coming your way for traveling with your friends. Okay, maybe your friends are traveling, they might give you this opportunity. So take that opportunity, because when you will travel, you will get a lot of creative ideas that will be very beneficial for you guys. So there is a traveling also coming for you guys. Maybe you want to travel, that's happening. So that's also I'm getting. So maybe you will travel somewhere and you will meet a stranger that will become friends for life. So yeah, something like that also. Yeah, sometimes these things happen, right? Even though that's like, so, oh, that, like, how can I? Sometimes we question ourselves, oh, that's not possible. But sometimes it's possible. Sometimes magical things happen, right? So I feel like you are going to see a lot of magical things happening in your life. Group number 2. So when we believe in those magic, that is when we see those magic, right? So believe. Again, there is a figure here. I'm getting like an older figure. An older figure definitely is there guiding you, okay? And I feel like you're ending a tough cycle right now in your life. Maybe your business has not been going the way you wanted, or maybe your creative business is not going the way you wanted, or maybe someone's health is not good. So I feel like there has been a tough cycle, but you are overcoming that and moving forward. You have learned a lot of that, okay? And I feel like you're wiser beyond your age. Wiser beyond your age. You have a lot of wisdom, and I feel like not only you will get good things, like when you meet other people also get a lot of wisdom from you, like a lot of guidance from you. So don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate your own creation. You're very unique. What you create is very unique. You have a lot of new unique ideas. So that's why you stress also. And don't try to be a perfectionist as well. Okay? Sometimes imperfection, when a thing is imperfect, that is also beautiful, right? So yeah, that's what I feel like. I feel like your imperfection makes you more beautiful and unique. So allow that imperfectionism also, right? Don't try to be so perfect or so rigid, so strict with yourself. Maybe you're very strict with yourself. Maybe you're very, very self-disciplined. Sometimes you can take a cheat meal or something like that. Maybe I'm getting that energy from you guys. Like, you're very strict with yourself. You have this specific routine and you go that way only. So maybe sometimes it's okay. It's okay to be imperfect. Okay. Yeah, again we have King of Cups, and definitely with the Sky Father, you have an ancestor around you. That's what I'm getting here. Spirit is telling you there is an ancestor around you who is guiding you, who is helping you to move forward with your goals. So yeah, definitely they are guiding you. So that presence is there. Maybe it can be your grandfather, passed on loved ones, deceased ones, or it can be a spirit guide of yours who is helping you. Okay, but definitely there is a lot of protective energy. And what I'm seeing for you guys is with this King of Cups, maybe for some of you, your father or a person might also help you, right? They might give you some guidance that will be very beneficial for you guys. So take their guidance, take the guidance of your older ones as well. Okay, maybe this older person will come and let's go to a party, go to that party. Okay, so yeah, so there is something waiting for you guys when you meet with other people. So some opportunities, so don't skip those opportunities. Okay. Yeah, Page of Cups. Yes, definitely with this Page of Cups also, I feel like some good news is definitely coming your way. Some sort of things that you always wanted to happen, that's happening. For some of you, you want a new partner, you want a new friend. Maybe you will meet that person when you attend a social event, or maybe you will go out to shopping. Maybe someone will call to shopping, maybe you will meet there. So something like that, some event might happen, go for it. Okay, so you might meet this person there, because we have like look, two hands, like they're making the heart shape. Like maybe your friend, maybe you'll meet a friend, yeah, someone you are going to meet, and that will be of that person will be very important to you guys in your journey. So don't skip that. Okay, that's something I'm getting. So if you feel intuitively you need to go out. Okay, your intuition, trust your intuition as well. Maybe your spirit animal is owl. You're very wise people as well. You're very wise, and you have a lot of protective energy around you. Your aura is very good. Okay, your energy is very good, but there is little bit of perfectionism, or maybe you're a little bit introverted also, like you don't like that much of party for some of you. So just go. If you feel like go for it. Okay, go for it. That will give you a lot of good things I'm getting here. Yeah, mending. Yeah, for some of you, you might be mending a relationship. Maybe you will meet someone there. Maybe you had a fallout with your friend. You will meet that friend there, and because of it, you will be able to mend your relationship. You will come back together. That's also I'm getting. For some of you, you are mending your childhood. For some of you, it's like you are following your dreams that you used to dream in your childhood. For some of you, that is also I'm getting. So that's why there is trust in the unknown. So you had this childhood dream, but your parents told you that will not happen, so you just forgot about that dream. Now you're understanding it again, like you are like, yeah, for some of you it's like old memories are coming back, and you're getting that creative ideas, and you're like feeling like to do that. So for some of you, it's like mending your childhood dreams, like you're going for those childhood dreams. That also I'm getting here. And look, we have the number 7 and 7. So there is a lot of learning I'm getting, or for some of you, the spiritual progress is also happening. So definitely you're going good. You're on the right path, guys. So don't worry. Okay. But if you're getting an opportunity, take that opportunity. Okay. So for some of you, it's like you doubt a lot whenever you receive an opportunity as well. So don't doubt yourself. Okay. But definitely, I see good things happening for you guys. Mending relationship, feeling happy, connecting with old people, connecting with your own memories of the past, forgiving yourself, connecting with your own dream, right? You had a passion, you're connecting with that, moving forward with that, learning a lot, like polishing your skills. That's something I'm getting here, group number 2. Go for it, okay? Yeah, wow, we have oneness. For some of you, it's like you are, maybe for some of you, you are a star seed and you have felt like the job you're doing is not making you feel like home. So that's a childhood dream that, like, yes, so for some of you, definitely you're connecting to your own childhood dream, or a person who you valued in your childhood. You're meeting that person, you're connecting with that person, and having a partnership with that person. Maybe this person will give you an opportunity and you two will work together, and you are going to make something unique out of that. Like, yes, a project might be coming your way, or maybe you are going to do something, yeah, like polishing your skills, working towards it and making something unique. That will be so beautiful. Okay, and understand you're unique. Okay, you're unique, you're different. No one is like you, and you need to value yourself more. Yeah, oneness. With it, oneness, I'm getting like your energies are also getting balanced. Okay, and this is a very good card to get. You know, you're not too much into this materialistic thinking. Like, you're not, I feel like you're not going to be thinking a lot about the outcome. You're just going to enjoy the journey. Okay, yeah, you're going to work for humanity also. Whatever you will create will be helpful for other people. That's what I'm getting. So it's like creating a product that will help a lot of people, and that is based upon your childhood skill. And this thing will make you it will give you a lot of happiness, a lot of fulfillment, and you will feel home once again. That's what I'm getting. In this world, maybe you didn't feel like home. Now you are feeling like home again. You're feeling yourself. You're not feeling that odd one out because you're accepting yourself the way you are. Maybe you were feeling like you're odd one out. Maybe your family didn't appreciate your skills, but finally now you're appreciating your skills and you're moving forward with it. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting here. So yeah, this is like, it's like inner child healing for many of you. I feel like this, with this Three of Swords energy, that's what spirit is telling you. Go for it. So maybe you have been feeling like you have been keep feeling called to do that project or that creative idea, or maybe like to explore that skill that you were good at it. You know, you were very good at it in your childhood times. You used to do this thing. You were very good at it. Now, and in childhood, maybe no one appreciated you, and your little heart got broken, and that's why you didn't you didn't do it again. Like, maybe you were a very good artist, but your parents didn't encourage you, and that little heart got broken, and then they thought that, no, I'm not good at it, so I should stop, and you didn't do it again. So now what I see is like that inner child heart is healing. Now you're going to, like, maybe this is an old diary that you had in your bedroom, and you're taking that diary. You are like, oh, again you're doing the things that you used to do in your childhood. You're mending your relationship with your inner child. Okay, and you're becoming one with it. So yes, you're not judging yourself anymore. You're not seeing yourself from your parents' eyes. Like, your parents thought that it was not good. That's why they did it, because they are also growing, right? They don't understand that. But now you're forgiving everyone, you're mending, and I feel like something amazing is definitely coming out. So maybe you have a creative idea. Maybe or maybe you will be given an idea, something really regarded to your childhood. I'm feeling like it. It's mending your childhood issue, mending that things, moving forward. Okay, so yeah, definitely this heartbreak is healing. Okay, it took so long. Yeah, again we have a three-eyed raven, as sunrise hits upon the dew, a messenger raven caves out with news. So said, prepare for the unexpected. So definitely with this trust in the unknown, prepare for the unexpected. So definitely there is an opportunity that is waiting for you guys, or a message from spirit that will change things. Or you will feel like, yes, I need to do this. Like, you will wake up in the morning and you will feel like, yes, I need to do this. I need to fulfill that project, and you will do it, and it will give you a lot of happiness. So definitely a lot of creativity is what I see for group number 2. So don't disregard your creative ideas. Work with it, because they will give you a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness. And if you have a social event coming up, go for it. Okay, so if you want to make that call, go and make that call. If you're like waking, if you one day you wake up and you feel like, I need to call that friend of mine, go call, because there is something for you guys there. So don't ignore that intuitive feeling. That's what spirit is telling you. Okay, And you're healing. Again, we have the starfish. So you're healing your pain, your past, and you're mending it. You're accepting it. You're coming one with it. Now you have healed it. Now you're moving forward. And that's so beautiful. So that's it for group number 2. I hope you take care. I hope you like the reading. Bye-bye. Hello, group number 3. If you're watching this reading, then this is your sign from spirit. So let's see what are the messages from spirit, what is the guidance for you guys at this time. Okay, so I'm feeling like this photo is like looking so calm, like a lot of calmful energy, like a lot of peaceful energy. That is what is happening for you guys. So a lot of calm, a lot of peacefulness is coming into your life. I feel like you will be also able to manage your stress. If you look within, if you meditate regularly, you will be able to manage your stress. So maybe for some of you with stress issues, you have a lot of stress issues. Maybe you stress, you overthink a lot, like you believe you have this joyful energy. At the same time, you stress also. Maybe you stress for other people. Maybe you stress for your spouse. You stress about your children's. So it's like, I feel like through meditation, you will be able to balance your stress. And that's what spirit is telling you to do right now, to balance your stress. Everything is good. You're a joyful person. You're a very positive person. A spirit is acknowledging you for that. They are giving you a pat on the back. But sometimes you overstress. Mainly it's not because of your problems, it's because of other people's problems. That's also something I'm getting. When it's your problem, you can manage it easily, but when it comes to your loved ones, that's when it gets out of hand. So they are telling you to not stress. Right now, just meditate. Whenever you're feeling that kind of emotion, when you feel stress, you're very aware. Your consciousness is good. Your consciousness is big. I feel like you're very conscious people, group number 3. Or maybe, I feel like you're seeing a lot of birds. You're seeing a lot of birds, and it's your sign. Like it's about freedom. You can become whatever you want to become in your life, and no one will put you in a cage. You are that free bird. So maybe you love your freedom. You're a person, for you guys, your main thing is your freedom. You can only live with the people who you vibe with. And yes, you are going to be living with the only ones who you can vibe with. So don't worry. Maybe in the past you had those people who were not good for you guys and you felt restricted, and maybe you think about it and you stress. Maybe for some of you, I have to say this, spirit is telling me that you stress for useless things. You waste your energy on useless stress. Let go of it, okay? So that's something I'm getting here. And maybe you're seeing a lot of birds, or maybe a group of birds. So it's like a major sign for you guys from spirit, that your freedom is valued and you will be free. You are a free spirit. Yes, they know. You came here to claim your independence only, financial freedom, whatever freedom you want in your life, you will have it. Okay, so for some of you, it's regarding your freedoms. You're asking question about your freedom, and yes, you will have it. Okay, and so for that, what you need to do is to balance your energy, to get into that peacefulness. So you stress a lot, you overthink a lot. That's where it gets out of hand. So that's where you need to maintain that balance. Okay, so you need to see things from a different perspective. Sometimes because of our past, we think that our present, future also, the same things might happen. We assume a lot of things. That is where you need to let go of that assumption, because you're powerful manifestors. So if you assume it. If you imagine those things again and again, it might happen. So there you need to be cautious. Okay, guys. So that is also I'm getting here. So that's why spirit is telling, don't think too much about the issues that are not important right now. So for some of you, think a lot about your past now. Past, get rid of it. Breathe, relax at that time. Let go of it. Stop it. Because you might manifest it. Okay? Remember that. Because what we think, we can manifest. Understand that. That's how universe works. So now it's the time to think and assume the things that you want in your life, rather than the things that you don't want. Okay, so imagine the things that you want in your life. Okay, So yeah, water guardian, connect with your emotions. So yeah, definitely emotionally, sometimes you think about your past and you get all worried up. You will think, oh my god, what if this happens again, what if that happen again, what if this person comes back again, what if that happens again. Like lot of things, lot of emotional turmoil inside of you, it will come like, and you will feel very fearful, you will feel very feared, and you will not have the power. You feel like you're giving away the independence. That's just because you're thinking about it. So that's why you need to control that, connect with your emotions, let go of it. It's just your fear based energy, understand that. And with this water guardian, have you guys done any manifestation using water? If so, I feel like this is a sign from spirit that that manifestation is gonna come true for you guys. And you're very intuitive. You're very intuitive, as well as how you can stress like that. It's like spirit is asking you, you're very intuitive, you know that this will not happen, then why you stress? It's very interesting. Like spirit is like, for me, I'm getting like that energy only. Why you stress like that? Your spirit guides are like, they're telling you why when you stress, they are like still looking at you and like, why doing this, why you are doing this, why you're making this beautiful time hell. Like I'm getting like that energy, group number 3 for you guys. So whenever you feel like that, let go of that energy, go near a water body. If you can go near a water body, relax there, connect with your intuition, sit there. Okay, you're doing good. You're doing good. Whatever work you're doing, whatever work you're giving to the light, maybe you're a homemaker who is just giving that guidance to your children. You're doing amazing work. Whatever you're doing, you're amazing. Be proud of it. Not everyone can do what you're doing. Not everyone can give that love that you give, the love you give to others. You're very, very compassionate people, right? But yeah, you're learning to be, stand up for yourself. You're learning to claim that freedom. So because of this attitude of yours, many people might have taken advantage of you, and that's why you fear a lot. What if others take advantage of me again? You stress a lot. So that's why that's just an emotion coming from past. Maybe you need to work on that. So through meditation, you can definitely balance that. Okay. And look, there's a lot of abundance that is waiting for you guys. The abundance that you have seen is nothing. There is so much more to come. There is so much you can do, and you can give it to the world. Like a smile of yours can change other people's life. Like when you smile to a stranger, that it will just have a very good effect on that person. You don't even realize that. That's something spirit is telling you. Okay, maybe for some of you, you are water signs. That is also quite possible. And I feel like for some of you, you do a lot of shadow work also. You see if you did that wrong and all. But sometimes it's like you overjudge yourself a lot, like too much into that and stress about it. Don't do that also, okay? So whenever you're constantly stressing, whenever you're thinking too much, meditate. Meditate. Wow, look, you're going to shine like the sun. For some of you, it's important you go near a beach and get that vitamin D, okay? That's also I'm getting. Maybe for some of you, you need to check that up, vitamin D. So get that sun, how much, go out, breathe in the sun. If you cannot do it, if you're in a place where it's wintry and all, just take your vitamin Ds. Okay, that's something I'm getting, take that vitamin D. Okay, so yeah, that's very important. But yeah, you're going to shine like the sun. Your energy is so positive. Group number 3, your energy is very, very positive. You spread that positive vibe. And yeah, there might be people who might be jealous of that, and it's okay. You don't have to care too much about them also. You don't have to care, oh, what if they're sending me dark energies and all. No, you're very protected. You're very protected. So no one can harm you. Okay, so remember that spirit is telling me that right now, and it's very loud and clear for you guys. There is so much of growth, so much of abundance. As I told you, there is so much of abundance waiting for you guys. You haven't realized it yet. There is so much of sunlight. There is so much of light coming your way. And all you need to do is to believe in yourself, believe in your intuition, believe and stand up for yourself, speak your truth, be honest with yourself. All you need to do is that. Okay, be in your power. That's what you need to do. And don't fear about that that past things. Okay, that's the thing. For some of you, your blockage is that thinking about the past thing and feeling very bad about it, and then stressing about it and sleepless night because of it, feeling worried about it. That is where you need to make that, you need to manage. And for that, only meditation is helpful, or going out in nature, spending some quality time with the people you love. That is all you can do. or if you feel like you need to share it to someone, go ahead and share it, okay, to your loved ones who loves you, and you know that who they are, right? So you know that you are very, you know, your intuition knows who is good for you, who is not good for you, you know that. Group number 3. And look, we have a baby here. New growth, new ideas, new things are coming. Maybe for some of you, learning a new skill. We have the book also, or maybe you are, for some of you, you are definitely pregnant, or maybe you'll conceive. Maybe you want that, that's also happening. Or maybe you're already pregnant and worried about all that stress. Maybe you, in the past, you might have miscarried your child, and because of it you are like, what if that happened again. No, don't think like that, okay? Nurture yourself, take care of yourself, everything is going to be good, okay? And look, we have the cage. Interestingly, the freedom we were talking about, right? You are going to be free. No one is going to put you in that cage anymore. You will not put, but only one, the person who will put yourself in the cage is you. So don't let that happen, okay? There's so much lotus, look, blossoming from that environment. I feel like you have struggled a lot in your past, but now things are clearing for you guys. Things are looking good for you guys, and now you're living in a peaceful environment. Group number 3, I feel like. But then also you worry about your past. What if this manifests again? What if this past things happen again? So don't do that. Don't make your present bad because of your past. No, don't do that, okay? And your future also looks bright. That's what Spirit is telling. And you're very, very, very much connected to the divine, guys. You're very connected. Even though you realize it or not, you're very connected. Yeah, healer of the ages. For some of you, definitely you're healing all the past trauma. You're understanding that, you're making that change. You can feel it in your body that you're healing. You can feel it from inside, that how you have changed from the past. You can feel it, right? And you know it. For some of you, you have certain spiritual gifts, but you're very afraid to tap onto it. So don't be afraid, because this thing is amazing, okay? Don't think too much. Maybe for some of you, you have certain belief system that is stopping you from moving forward with your spiritual gift. Don't do that, okay? Because this thing will give you a lot of happiness. This spiritual gift of yours will help you to lead a better and a best life, okay? A life full of joy and happiness. Group number 3, okay? Healer of the ages. For some of you, definitely you're feeling it. You know, something is happening inside of your body, like you're feeling like you're healing, you're overcoming all those troubles, like all those past, you're feeling it. And for others, it's like you know that you are the healer. You have certain abilities. For some of you, realizing that you can see colors, you can read auras, you understand your visions are very strong, you're clairvoyant. If you're working on it, definitely growth is there for you guys as a healer. And if you are already a healer, you're working on that, yes, you're going to shine. You're going to be recognized for your healing abilities. That is also something I'm getting here, okay? But it will take time, don't worry. But definitely I feel like recognition is also coming, because with the sun and the healer of the ages, definitely, and with this warden guardian also, so you're emotional, like you're very sensitive, you're very intuitive, and this gift that you have is going to be recognized by other people, because you will be helping a lot, okay? You are the person, I feel like you are that friend who, like, all your friends will come to you for seeking guidance, and you will help everyone. You're so compassionate and kind, and keep on moving forward. You have given so much, and you are here to receive so much back. Yeah, of course, there is spiritual development. You're living with the 8 of Cups. I feel like Spirit is telling you to let go of that past things. Look, the sun is here. The sun, you're seeing the sun, you're moving towards the sun, okay? So let go of all the things that are troubling you, your emotions. Like, that is the thing, your emotional things, something that you think about it and it's not good, some emotions that are not good for you. That is what you need to let go of right now, and you know it, what it is, okay? What you are overthinking, you know it. That's what you need to let go of. And I feel like a lot of spiritual progress for some of you. You're seeking that spiritual you have that spiritual quest in you, like you are seeking a lot of things, and you will get your answers. So, like, a lot of seeking. What is seeking you is seeking you back. That's all. What was that? Like, what you seek is seeking you back. That's something I'm getting here, okay? And we have the fire here also. Right? The light is glowing, the sun is burning. So yeah, your burning desires are going to be fulfilled. That's something I'm getting. So don't hold on to the past anymore. Let go of the things that are not good for you. Let go of the emotions that are heavying you down. Okay, we got that in by number 1 also. Yeah, look, justice. You are here to give that light and justice to others, as well as those that light and justice will be given to you also. So the karma is like what you give, you will receive back. So what energy you're putting out, you will receive it back. As I told you, when you put a lot of negative energy, like if your emotion, if you're thinking a lot of about your past, if you're assuming a lot things about your past, there is a chance that you might manifest that in some way. Okay, and you know that. So don't let that happen. Okay, that's something important. And justice, with this justice, I feel like your karma is balanced. You have completed a cycle. Definitely the past is not going to come back again. Why you're worried so much? So that's what you need to work on, guys, and that's what spirit is telling you to work on right now. Okay, balance is coming your way. Balance is going to be restored. Harmony is restored. It's all also I feel like it's restored in your life, but you think a lot. Your emotions are sometimes the problem. You think a lot about your past. You overthink, you stress, and that's what you need to let go of right now. Okay, and yeah, you are the one who give justice, that light to other people. You give those, you what you speak, like you speak something, like maybe your child is like feeling very sad. Your words will light that child up, right? That's who you are. You give so much of light and wisdom to other people, and you don't realize that about yourself. Okay. So yeah, and appreciate yourself, guys. Yeah, that's what you need to do. Breathe in, breathe out. Right now also take a deep breath in, breathe out. Let go of all that worries. Let go of all that overthinking that you don't need in your life. Let go of that wasteful energies. Don't put too much energy on to the things that you don't want in your life. Okay, only put your energy onto the things that you want. So meditation, I feel like for group number 3, spirit is telling you to make meditation your routine. If you're already doing it good, you're doing good, so keep on doing that. Okay, so meditation or yoga or exercises, I feel like meditation is good for you guys. Group number 3, you need to meditate every day, at least for 5 minutes, at least for 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Okay, and again we have that lotus energy, like blossoming. You have suffered a lot, you have seen that dirt. Now in this dirt you're going to blossom, and you know what, no one can take that shine from you. That's the amazing part. Yeah, the freedom of truth. As I told you, your speech, what you say, helps other people in some way. It gives guidance to other people. So be truthful to your path. Say what your heart guides you to say. Okay, you be authentic to yourself and communicate honestly. Be who you really are, because your uniqueness is going to be loved by people. You don't have to copy anyone. You don't have to change your way of doing things because you feel like that people will not accept you. People will accept your unique self. So be honest, communicate clearly, and people will love you. Look, he's guiding other people, and they are like so they're so happy to see him, right? They're so happy by the words. They're feeling that light. That's what it's like. Your words are healing other people. So keep on doing that. Okay, we have number 12. Number 3 might be important for you guys, and 3 is all about growth, expansion, celebration, right? Connection with angels. Maybe you teach that courses where you can connect with your angels. Keep on doing that work. Maybe you're a spiritual advisor, or maybe you're just someone who motivate people, right? Or maybe you're teachers, right? So, or maybe you're just parents who guide their children, right? You're doing good. You're doing amazing. Understand that. So be truthful. Be true to you, who you are, and do that and give that guidance. You have a lot of messages to give to the world. Go and give it. Don't stop yourself because of criticism, because of other people's fear. Oh my God, that was so sorry. Okay, yeah, that's it. So let's see what else. Yeah, Knight of Swords and Temperance. Yeah. Okay, maybe for some of you there might be events that will happening will happen at very great speed. At that time you need to balance yourself, and this, with this Knight of Swords, it can be your emotions that will come at a great speed. As I told you, thinking about your past, what if that happened, what if that happened, overthinking about things and not feeling powerful and not feeling that you will be able to control that things. If that happened, what will I do, stressing about things. That is where this temperance comes, right? That's what you need to do. You need to meditate, you need to do yoga. So you can, this is the only thing that is the blockage. I feel Spirit is telling you, you're overthinking, and maybe you are the people who ask for signs continuously. Because you over stress about things like, Spirit, this is happening, what I do, this, Spirit, this, Spirit, this. Spirit is telling you, you don't have to worry about it. About it, everything is okay. You questions, Spirit gives you answer, and you understand that. Then also you will ask the same question from Spirit: what if this happened, what if that happened? Like every day, it's asking and asking, even though you know that everything is okay, then also you worry and you ask because of your worries. That's the problem. That's where you need to work on. That's where you need to find that balance, guys. Okay, yeah, again we have Temperance and Justice, 2 cards, major arcanas, and yes, that's what, like, 8 of Cups energy. You need to get away from this thoughts, this negative thoughts that comes like at a very greater speed, and then what happens is, like, you think and think and think and think. That's what you need to get rid of, right? That's where you need to find the balance. Okay, and I feel like that's what you need to master, and when you master that, you can help other people also how to master that. Okay, yeah, wow, this is like a girl is dancing, feeling happy. Yeah, your life is going to be joyful, happy. You're going, look, again we have the sun here. Yeah, the sun is going to shine. Yeah, yes. So if you had a question in your mind, so when you were clicking on this video, if you had a question in your mind, the answer is yes. Okay, so maybe you're like, oh, yeah, the answer is yes. Kiss the ground and touch the sky. Your soul is set now to leap and to fly. As I told you about the freedom. Free yourself from your thoughts, guys. The only thing that is putting you in this cage is your thoughts. Otherwise, you're free to fly. Okay. Understand that, group number 3. Very beautiful reading for group number 3. Bye-bye. Take care, guys.